Okay, my other glue was bad, so I had to go get some new glue. Same stuff, just different bottle, a little more of it in the bottle. So I'll get this opened up and okay, ready to go there. So I'm going to take a line of glue down this side. And go all the way around. Whoops. My bottle closed up on me. Probably a bit much, but I'll take a wet rag and wash off any extra. And then I just want to spread it on there. Make sure I get glue all over, covered where there's no tape, but I don't want it running down the sides too much either. It will be sanded off if it does, so if it does, it's no big deal really. And get that glue spread all over. I can put it right on top of the tape. I'm going to peel the tape off anyway. And now, the glue should be covered pretty much everywhere there. I'll wash this off later. Need me some water in here to do this one. I didn't bring my water in. Yes, I do. I do have some water. I just got to find something to put it in to wash it. But I'll do that after I'm done with this. So I'm going to set that over there out of the way where it's not touching anything. Now I'm going to take this piece of tape off. And that should keep the glue off of the truss rod cavity. So now I'll take my board with the pins, make the pins fit in the holes. If I can see them, I can't see them now. I covered them with glue. But I can do it like this, as long as I don't knock my truss rod out of place. There's one. And the other one should fall right in its hole here when I hit it. I can't find my hole. There it is. I don't want to get it all over my fingers and then get it all over everything. So there's that. And this one came out again, so I gotta get that one back in its hole. It can be a pain in the butt. Okay, it's on there. So now it's on there and the truss rod's in there. And now what I want to do is I'm going to take this under here because it's got that curve. They'll fit in there like that. I'm going to take one of these clamps. Wait a minute. I have these pieces here. Because this is curved, I'm going to put these on the edges so the edges will lay down flat like I need them. So I'm going to do that one like that. And I'm going to take a clamp and get that over here where I need it, and this one over here like I need it, and I'm going to, right about the middle, clamp it down. And then look at the edge and see there's no gaps there. And I should have some glue squeezing out. So actually I'm going to go just a little bit this way. Take another clamp and go over here. These have got rubber on them, so they're not going to damage anything. And now I want to get the ends glued down good and tight. If I don't drop it, you don't want to be dropping it. Yep, that looks good. So now do the back one with a clamp and the back here. And I'm just going to go right back here. Actually, I'll go right here maybe. It should make it stick down. Yeah. I don't like the way that did it, so I'm going to take another piece of wood or two here and put on in there. See what I can find here. That may work. Okay, now, looks like it's flat all the way across there on this side. I don't know if the camera can see it, but if you can see it in the camera, there's glue squeezing out there. That's what you want, a little bit of glue squeezing out. That way you know you have glue all the way in it. And I'm going to get another clamp and clamp this down, just to make sure everything is clamped down good. Because back here I got a little bit that looks a little bit up to me, so I'm just going to take and I don't want to put too much pressure and ding my wood or anything, but it can be brought out if I do. And just for, yep, that looks good. And just to make sure, I'm going to put a clamp right here too. There. And that will sit like that. I'm going to let this glue, it's cool out here, the temperature's kind of cold. That's not hitting my guitar body there, is it? No, okay. So I'm going to let this sit overnight and come back tomorrow. That'll be glued real good. I can take that off and then I can start sanding, like shaping the edge and all that. So, catch you in the next one. Bye.